y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. We are back and she's still smelling and we gonna keep on telling. Welcome to Girls Gone Wild. No?
Anyway, okay, we are indeed back and we are going to make the OG Mad Dog Henny. Oh, I got it.
OG Mad Henny Dog. OG Henny Mad Dog. OG Mad Dog Henny.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, that's it. There we go.
That one.
Woo, child, you would have thought I already had it. Okay, all right.
I don't know, have you?
Sound like a sugar daddy drink. Let me know how to make this.
Well, yeah, we're going to get into this because this is interesting, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, obviously, based off of the name, you know that Hennessy is involved.
Ooh, child, Henny.
You know how we feel about Hennessy, but this is spring break. Girls Gone Wild, so ooh.
Bow, 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 bow.
That's that booty meat. Hey, 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 hey. Look at them booty cheeks.
All right, sorry. It's up from here. Go ahead.
Right? Is it? I don't even know.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Are we gonna make it? Okay. Then you're gonna need triple sec. Okay. You're gonna need maraschino juice. Okay. We have some orange slices for garnish.
Okay. Okay.
And I have not forgotten about the Four Loko. Okay.
Does it make you go loco?
Have you ever had Four Loko before?
Maybe, but I don't remember.
Well, that's probably the right answer there.
Oh.
Listen, friends, this is obviously not the Four Loko of the past. For those that remember the beginnings of Four Loko, you needed one, really, to be set. And you were an Energizer bunny for the rest of the night, okay?
Good
You know what I'm saying?
child.
Pretty sure there's cocaine in it. I don't know. I don't have the proof. I don't have the chemistry behind it.
Does anybody have the proof? Usually you just made it seem like you'd be knocked out.
Yeah, I mean, one of the descriptions I've seen of people is that they just keep going, but they're blank in the face.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That was actually, I didn't know what was happening with me, but yes,
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Okay, we have our vessel of choices with ice in it, and we've got our shakers so that we can get shaken.
Shake and bake.
All right, I'm a little ambivalent about this one, but hey, it's spring break, so let's get it. Right? Let's get it. So excited. Okay.
I mean, if this is what my sugar daddies drink, then I'm all for it. You know? Spike a little Four Loko up in the drink. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna top it off with the Four Loko. Don't shake it with the Four Loko. I don't know what's gonna happen to your shaker if you shake it with the Four Loko.
Well, I'm gonna sprinkle and dazzle, razzle dazzle.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna start off with 1 ounce of Hennessy,
Henny.
aka Hen Dog.
Hen dog. Ooh. 1.
Yeah, 1 ounce. Just one.
Just one.
Unless, I don't know. I mean, if the ancestors are speaking to you, that's up to you. The ancestors are not speaking to me on that particular wavelength. Can I have the triple sec, please?
You may. Triple sec.
Okay. So it's gonna be 3/4 ounce or 0.75. Excuse me.
I like the 0.75
You want
better.
0.75? Okay, 0.75 of the triple sec.
0.75. 75 cents out of $1. If for y'all people who need a little visual.
If fractions were not your strong suit, 3/4 ounce probably could use the fuck out of it.
Everybody uses money, you know? I'm just saying.
True. These are facts. Okay, so let's pass that maraschino juice on.
Juicy. Ooh, there's one floating in there to marinate
There's
it.
one little, so if you want that last cherry, you can have it. I'm just using the juice here. And this
So OG Mad Dog Henny is gonna pop my cherry? No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
1/2 ounce of that.
Okay. Hey.
And I think at that point we ready to shake. So we're gonna shake this, okay? I don't know who came up with this debauchery.
Sugar daddies.
Are we sure the sugar daddies came up with it, or we just think like some girls were bored and put some stuff together?
You're right about that.
All right, I'm gonna actually take me a little. No, not that part. Sorry. Damn, I didn't want that one. Big ass one. All right, listen. We're gonna ignore the fact that I picked this big ass orange slice to be in here. We're ignoring that. Okay. Please ignore that. Okay, we're gonna pour this in here, and we're gonna top off with the 4 Loko because that was a good idea.
For
It's
Loko.
bubbling, Lord.
It looks pretty though.
I mean, it does. It does look pretty.
You think maybe OG Mad Dog Henny was something that the older guys were trying to do to give it to the younger girls to make it look all festive and pretty?
You know what? They might have.
If he drives a van, ladies, run the other way.
Also, what's really been funny before we taste this is the amount of TikToks I've seen on people discovering Mad Dog 2020. How are you? Oh, these youth. They're like, oh, it's not that bad. Well, all right. Talk to me after you had about half a thing.
It's like a nice little fruit punch.
It basically looks like alcoholic fruit punch. So let's go ahead and taste. Oh, you taste them.
Get it, Meg. Get it, Meg. Get it, Meg. Get it, Meg. Go.
Get it glow. Get it glow. Get it glow. Get it glow. Hey. I mean, listen, if you want to get toe up, this is the one for you. It tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
Exactly.
It tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So feel free to get blurped up, because that's what's going to happen if you have about
Did
two
you
of
just
these.
blurp yourself?
I did.
The cameraman does that for us.
I know, and he does such a good job.
You're so
He really
polite.
does. Yeah.
Who went first last time? I think it was you.
I don't even remember, girl.
Oh, is that the 4 Loko starting to run through your system?
I mean, it just hit, but possibly, yeah.
Jesus.
I don't actually taste a lick of Henny in here. Can I have the Henny?
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Lee, you're gonna have a sister or brother?
Absolutely not.
Okay, all right.
Absolutely not. I have that under control. Just want to get a little floater there.
A floater.
A floater, you know.
Something else is gonna be floating.
Oh my god.
Shit.
What is wrong with you?
This episode has went from a PG-13 to a
my
rated R.
god. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're making my job easy.
Oh my God in heaven. Wow. Okay, well, I mean, go ahead and hit it off.
I like this. This is a adult fruit punch. You know how we had Huggies back in the day at the birthday parties? Well, you know what? We're older now, and we're having OG Mad Dog Henny. Did I say that right?
Yeah, you did actually.
OG Mad Dog Henny.
She actually got it
If you
right.
say that multiple times, with the lights off, looking in the mirror with the door closed,
Why is the lights on?
when you turn the light on, you might find somebody behind you.
What?
So do that.
Wait a minute. What is that? What?
OG Mad Dog Henny.
Oh my God.
Anyway, but I like this. This is taking me back to childhood vibes, but as an adult,
Okay, because
I'm gonna give this a 10. Now, how many can you have these? I'm just say about one.
I'm gonna say, yeah.
After one, I can't help you. I
We
can't.
don't know what's gonna happen to you after one. We don't even know what's gonna happen to you if you consume the whole one in one sitting.
You know,
multiple? I don't know.
yeah, I don't know. You might be falling off a curb, slurring your words.
What you're definitely not gonna do is be operating motor vehicles. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Not even a moped? No,
No,
don't even.
no.
You know what? You can't even ride one of those scooters downtown in DC because you get fucked up off
let
of
me
them
just
things
explain
already.
Thank you for bringing up core memory into my head.
Oh,
Not
you're
me.
a victim? Oh.
No, not I. So I used to work in DC, and of course, when you work in DC, the tourists are always there, no matter what. Okay.
Always.
And as you know, they have the little motorized scooters for you to rent and get around. I saw this poor unfortunate soul look like she came out of a brunch and was trying to ride that thing. She flew into a bush. And when I tell you, I laughed from the core of my soul. I mean, I was dying, dog.
Did he help the sister?
She was across the street. And what did I do? She flew directly into a bush. Like, what? I'm sorry. Like,
You were a witness to an accident.
it was funny as hell. Listen, I repented afterwards.
You
okay?
repented? So you and God had a talk?
I did feel convicted just slightly because I was dying. Like, you ever had like a laugh?
You had a bad day. You taking one down. You sing a sad song just to go in the bush around.
What? Listen, I have tripped on air before, so this poor unfortunate soul that literally, yeah, no, like, you know what I mean, where you think that you tripped over your foot and you just tripped on air.
Doesn't make any sense, but I hear you. You just say you're clumsy.
I mean, I am.
You got 2 left feet.
I don't know about the 2 left feet, but I'm definitely clumsy.
Clummy?
I
She's
said
slurring the
clumsy.
words. The 4 Loko is starting to kick in.
Actually, I added more Hennessy, so it made it Hennessy.
Hen dog. But OG hen dog mini. Wait,
You gave it a rating. Did you give it a rating?
did I give it a rating?
You talked about it. I don't think you gave it a rating. You liked it. That's where we left off. We
OG.
got really,
It's OG Mad Dog Henny, right?
yeah,
Okay.
that's the
I'm
one.
still on it. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give this a solid 9. I don't really care for too fruity drinks, but I can tolerate this. I can do this. Now, like I said before, 1 might be enough. It's got Henny and 4 Loko. Anything past that, if you do more than 1, don't complain to me that you going loco. You going crazy. You got baby pictures showing up. I don't want to hear none of that. I don't want to hear none of that. I'm not liable for it, but you should try it, but only 1.
This is what I'm gonna say about that. 4 Loko is $3 at your liquor store.
Ooh, my
okay.
stomach bubbling.
You paid $3 solid for
To
this.
get messed up.
Yeah, it's malt liquor, so I mean you're already gonna be lit off of that. Listen, this lives up to spring break Girls Gone Wild vibes, okay?
This is the lunch special.
This is the lunch special. We have gravitated. We have already consumed our breakfast. We are on the beach and we are starting to get lit. Okay, that's where this is coming out at. Okay. Listen, I'm surprised because I thought it was going to be super fruity. And mind you, it is like sweet, but it's not crazy. It's not overpowering. Yes. So I will give this an 8.5. I'll give this an 8.5. I obviously added Hennessy to mine because, you know, YOLO. And so I wouldn't necessarily recommend that unless you can like hold your liquor. But no matter what you do, one is enough. One is enough.
But you can't only have 1. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and say just the 1. Because I can really see people be like, yo, give me a second one, like they can handle it, and next thing you know, it's really an episode out of Girls Gone Wild. So don't do that. Don't do that. But this lives up to its name. It does live up to its name. I'll say that.
Do what you do before and let them people understand when you say don't do that, don't do that. You said it so subtle. You got to do it the way you did it back in the day.
How did I do it before?
Don't do that.
Oh.
Don't do that.
My bad. I was probably already lushing at that point, whatever part of the episode it was.
Oh, well, after she does that, then...
No, but seriously, this is a proceed with caution type beverage.
Yeah.
Because again, yes, 4 Loko has revised its formula, you know, due to like, I don't know, killing people before. So, you know, now it's only 13.9% alcohol and probably no cocaine. So we're probably good. Yeah, probably not. Probably no cocaine. Mm-hmm. I think you'll enjoy it. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and can you ring my bell? Ring my bell. Hey. Go
This
get
is
you
for the
one.
sugar daddies.
Oh, it's for the
It is.
sugar daddies.
I mean, it's OJ Mad. Wait. OG Mad Dog Henny.
You said OJ.
Rest in peace to his soul.
Okay, so I'm not gonna okay, I have to bring this up real quick.
You child, I
I'm sorry. One of my friends posted this thing, yes, in rest in peace. But they posted OJ when he was, obviously running away in the dog his car, the Bronco, excuse me. Mm-hmm. Damn it, I'm not saying that. Listen. Okay, but then they put up a part of Shrek, the original Shrek. And they're like, OJ really gave us this moment in Shrek. And so I forgot in the original one, they're like, we have a runaway Bronco. I was like, hey, yo, I need to rewatch Shrek, bro. The original one.
The juice is loose.
The juice is in these.
Within you.
Oh, is it? Now, why is ice going down like this? There's some powerful shit in here. Because my ice cubes are no longer.
Hey!
My ice cubes are literally no longer.
The juice is loose.
Listen, y'all. We'll be back for more debauchery.
Debauchery?
Debauchery.
Okay. She doesn't have to give me a lesson on SAT words at this point. See y'all.